Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech City. Today our topic is how to host a website locally for testing. AI overview. To host a website locally for testing, you can use software like XEMPP, WAMP or MAMP to create a local server on your computer. After installation, place your website files in the designations folder. Example HD docs for XAMPP, and then access your site through your browsing using. Here's are more details breakdown. Choose local server software. Select a suitable local servers environment with options like XAMPP, WAMP for Windows or MAMP for Mac being popular choices. Number 2, install and figure. Download and install the chosen software. Configure it according to the software's documentations. This typically involves setting up the server directly. Example HT codes, docs in XAMPP where your website's files will reside. Place website files. Copy your website's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other relevant files into the de- designated folder. Example HT docs within your local server in installations directory. Start the server. Launch the local server software. This will start the web server. Example APG and make your website accessible locally. Number 5, access via browser. Open a web browser and enter localhost or localhost port. If you have configured a specific port in the address bar, your website should be displayed. Testing. You can now test your website's is functionality, design, and responsiveness in a local environment before deploying to it a live server. By following these steps, you can effectively host your website locally for testing purpose, allowing for convenient and efficient development and debugging. How can I start my website locally? You would need to install some software like XAMPP to run it. If you want to test sending email, you would also have to set up on SMTP server. What is the best way to locally test? Use a web page. How to locally host website for testing? Number 1 step, set up your local environment using the right local server software. Number 2, configure the server basic configuration setting. Number 3, set up your website files. Number 4, create and manage database. Number 5, test your websites locally. Number 6, optimize for local performance. Local hosting. How to host a website on a local server. How to test a local host. To test this yourself, just open the command prompt window or terminal Unix, Mac, and use the ping command. You can either send it to the domain localhost or directly to the IP address pinning localhost ping 127.0. How is the test website performance locally? Can I host website of my computer? Yes, you can, but before you do there are limitations you need to take into considerations. You should know how to set up www server software on your computer. This is a software that allow internet users to access web files on your computer. Can I host my own website locally? On premises is considered the traditional approach to hosting your own website. It involves hosting your sites locally on your physical hardware, such as servers and network infrastructure, giving you complete control over the hardware, software, and security measures, and giving you a sense of autonomy. I hope you like my information. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.